Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use change in state of delivery for your confirmation entries. Okay, I know you all have been using shift in market structure, change of character, BOS, whatever you want to call it. That's what you've been using for your confirmation entries. But I'm going to show you an advanced way that you can take your confirmation entries using change in state of delivery. Okay, so when it comes to change in state of delivery, all that we require for the confirmation is to see the opposing order block closing price being violated. Okay, the opposing order block, we want to see the closing price being violated. Don't worry, we'll go through these examples and you understand it better. Before I continue, take just 1 second to like this video because this is a gem. Thank you for liking the video. Let's continue. Now, you don't use change instead of delivery in isolation. You have to use it with a higher time frame level or order flow or structure. Now, let me quickly get rid of all these markups and then I'll do everything afresh, right? So yeah. We are going to look at this example here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. As I said, you don't use the change instead of delivery in isolation, but you use it with higher time frame levels. Looking at GBP USD on the 1 hour chart, you can see that order flow was bullish. Price was making a series of higher highs and then higher lows. Okay. Now let's look at yesterday's price action right here. So bullish break of structure here. Bullish order block here, price pulls back into the bullish order block, and here within this bullish order block we want to look for confirmation entries, and we are going to use change in state of delivery for the confirmation entry. So there's the 1 hour chart. You are going to go to the 15 minutes chart to look for the confirmations, right? Yeah, so price has come into a 1 hour higher time frame PDRA. You're looking for buys on the lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, which is the 15 minutes, you want to see this 15 minutes opposing order block or bearish order block that was formed before price came into our 1 hour level. You want to see this bearish order block being violated. And when I say I want to see it being violated, I mean the closing price. Okay. So this is the closing price of that bearish order block, and I want to see it being violated. Once the closing price of this last bearish order block prior to price coming into a higher time frame level, once it's violated, we have a change in state of delivery. The reason being, if this bearish order block is going to hold, we shouldn't violate the closing price. So once price violates the closing price, then we say price has changed from a bearish delivery into a bullish delivery, and we are going to see higher prices. Already 1 hour order flow is bullish, and price has come into a 1 hour discount bullish order block, and we are looking for buys. So we are not just trading this in isolation, we are backing it with higher time frame order flow and then PDRA. All right. So once we have the change instead of delivery, is the same as your normal market structure shift. The only difference is that with change in state of delivery, price do not break the swing high like you would see in a change of character or shift in market structure. Okay, so in a shift in market structure, price would break the swing high, but with change in state of delivery, price do not break the swing high. All it does is violate the closing price of that opposing order block. So there's an advanced entry technique. So once we see that, we can enter from any discount bullish PDRA that has been formed for entry. So right away, you can see that there is this bearish fair value gap that was broken through. So once we break through it, it becomes an inversion fair value gap, and we can use it for entry. See how price respected it nicely. Boom, for the entry. You could have as well used this order block on the 15 minutes chart for a sniper entry. Boom. For targeting We have this 1 hour equal highs. Since 1 hour is bullish, we want to be targeting the 1 hour highs. So that could have been your target. So entry right there. Stop loss here. Target to the 1 hour highs. Now this is a bullish scenario. Let's look at a bearish scenario. We are going to look at this bearish scenario right here. So before I talk of this price action, as I said, I don't trade change instead of delivery in isolation. I trade it with higher time frame levels. Very, very important. Keep that in mind. Now let's go to the daily chart and I'll frame a bias for you to see. So where is it? On the daily chart, you can see that our price has broken this swing low. Boom. And we have this bearish order block, which is in premium of the range, right? So price has broken structure to the downside. Price has pulled back to premium of the range, reacting from what? A bearish order block. So within here, we're going to look for lower time frame confirmation to look for sales. We are going to use the change instead of delivery. So let's go to the 15 minutes chart. So on the 15 minutes chart, we can use change instead of delivery for the sales, right? So daily broken bearish, price has come into premium daily bearish order block. And you want to look for sales with confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame using change in state of delivery. So right away, you should identify the last bullish order block before price came into our higher time frame level. And this is the last bullish order block, right? So this bullish order block, we want to see the closing price being violated. So this is the closing price. Once it's violated, we have a change in state of delivery. And right away, we can start looking for sales. Even without breaking swing lows, we can start looking for sales because that's a change in state of delivery. So as soon as that happens, we can look for any premium level. So this is a bearish order block on the 15 minutes in premium. As you can see, price comes to it and it sells off aggressively. So you can have an early entry when it comes to change instead of delivery. You can have an early entry even before your typical market structure shifts, right? And beautiful trade all the way. So yeah, this is how you can use change in state of delivery for your confirmation entries. Make sure you have a directional bias. Make sure price pulls back to discount if of your higher time frame levels if you want to buy, or premium of your higher time frame levels if you want to sell. And on the lower time frame, you can look for change in state of delivery for your entry. Okay, you don't have to wait for the high to be broken all the time because sometimes you're not going to get that. Sometimes just a change instead of delivery, price gives you an entry and then it runs away. Here, the same thing, change instead of delivery, pull back for entry, it runs away. If you're going to wait for change of character, then you're going to wait for this swing low to be broken. And I'll be in the trade all the way up from here. So this is how you can use change instead of delivery. It's a little bit advanced. You need to go and back test on your chart to build confidence around it and be able to use it with confidence. Okay. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.